What's up, guys? This is Cooley139, and a lot of you were asking me, what amp am I using? Well, this is actually Synth One, and you can actually play train horns. But in order to do that, you're gonna have to go to this one right here, the number 3 on the top. But I don't know which one it's under. I haven't looked at the video just yet, but I'll try to see. So, basically, what I'm gonna be doing is I might be able to get a train horn that sounds like this. Wait. Oh, that doesn't sound right. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Okay. So we got a number 1 noise. So we're gonna make the train horn noise, so here we go. So yeah, this is supposed to be the sound of the Nathan Airchime K6LA, but it's actually not the race letter one. It's some type of other generation horn. So this is what I want my train horn to sound like. Here it goes again. So yeah, this is what I actually want my train horn to sound like whenever I get my own vehicle. Just actually, well, I know people were saying you can't even do that. I mean, it's illegal. It's like, okay, I know, but I'm just only gonna use it for a warning device, even though if it's that loud. I mean, I could just use my regular horn, But whenever there's like a medical emergency and something or whatever, where I'm in a hurry, I just use the train horn immediately. Or whenever I design the truck as a EMS vehicle. Like, yes, I might be able to get the 2021 F-150, but I am completely unsure after all. So yeah. But this is what I really love about this train horn, because it sounds so cool. So yeah. So let me go ahead and give you some more blasts, and then that's going to wrap up the video. So yeah, that's what I actually want my train horn to sound like whenever I get my own truck. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up the video. So thank y'all so much for watching. Leave a like on it and subscribe for more videos. Alright? This is Cooley149 signing out. See y'all next time. Peace.